Hey friends, how to transfer Google Photos to another account? First, go to the Photos Google Chrome site, enter in your account, and then choose your photos to transfer. You can choose the first photo and Shift and the last photo, and all the photo will be selected. Then click Share and create link, and create link once more. Copy this link, copy, then close selected photos and choose another account. In your second account, choose web address and paste the link here. Enter. And now save our photos. Click Save Photo. Our photo saved. Then click Return, and we have all photos in our new account.